Hi, this is Shweta. The course is manual testing. In this, the subtopic is methods of testing. Every software product has a target audience. For example, the audience of video game software is completely different from banking software. Therefore, when an organization software develops or otherwise invests in a software product, it can assess whether the software product will be accessible to its end users or its target audience. Software testing is something similar to this assessment. There are different types of testing methods. There are static and dynamic testing, the box approach. In this we have two, that is white box testing and black box testing and grey box testing. Coming to static and dynamic testing, static testing is the one that is attained by reviews, walkthroughs or any inspections. Whereas dynamic testing is actually executing program code with a given set of test cases. So static testing involves in verification, whereas dynamic testing involves in validation. So what is verification and validation? Verification checks whether we are designing the desired product or not, whereas validation is like whether the product design meets the software requirements, the user requirements or not. So I'll explain this with an example. So if you want to buy a capsule of 500 milligrams, the verification is something like whether you are buying the capsule or not, whereas validation is the capsule which you are buying is of 500 milligrams or not. Next, coming to box approach, this is white box testing. White box testing is also called clear box testing or glass box testing, where we are testing the internal structures or working of programs. In white box testing, an internal perspective of the system as well as the programming skills are used to design the test cases. The tester chooses inputs to exercise paths through the code and determining the appropriate outputs. This is in term analogous to testing the nodes in a circuit, I can say. Coming to black box testing. Black box testing treats software as a black box, examining functionality without any knowledge of internal implementation. The tester is only aware of what the software is supposed to do, but not how it does it. Coming to grey box testing. Grey box testing is a software testing method which is a combination of both white box testing as well as black box testing. In black box testing, the internal structure of the item being tested is unknown, whereas in the white box testing, the internal structure is known. In grey box testing, the internal structure is partially known. This involves having access to internal data structures and algorithms for purpose of designing the test cases, but testing at the user or black box level. Grey box testing is named so because the software program in the eyes of the tester is like a grey, it is semi-transparent box inside which only one partial can see. This is all about methods of testing. Thank you.